Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today, hopefully this is going to be the last in the series of the Sand Pro. Today we're going to fabricate some fuel tank mounts. The gentleman that owns it took the tins home to clean them up and paint them. Found out that the fuel tank had some leaks in the bottom of it. He has another one of these machines. It's a parts machine. It's a newer machine. It's got a flat plastic fuel tank on it. It's a little bigger, mounts a little different, no big deal. I'll just fabricate some mounts up for it, and we'll get it put on there. And then we are going to, I got to make the adapter for or drill into the carburetor and do the adapter for the crankcase vent, put it where it goes factory, get the air cleaner adapter on. Then as soon as he gets me the tins, which will be probably in the next couple days, they're probably already, or probably real close to being done. So I got to get this stuff done. We'll get the tins, we'll get that all put on, and we'll ship this machine out the door. So y'all just hang on, and we'll get set up, and I'll show you the fuel tank that I'm putting on, and show what I'm thinking about for some mounts. Bring it right back. Alright guys, here's what we got. This is the original mount where the old fuel tank mounted. It was rounded on the bottom. This is the fuel tank, part of the fuel tank you guys can see for the off the newer model. This pipe here comes straight down out. I could drill a hole in here and try to get the hose down and out, but this tank won't fit between the tire and this part here very well when it's down in. So I took the metal mounting bracket off the bottom of that fuel tank, and I'm gonna extend it up. I need 2 3/4 of an inch, and that'll give me just about a 1/4 inch clearance on the bottom of this tube here. I'm gonna weld these brackets on, pop a couple holes in here, a couple holes back here, bolt these to this bracket, and we should be all good to go. There is another little piece here that this used to hook up on there. I don't think it might clear, so we might put this back on that tank, but it has to, I can rotate this shutoff valve some maybe. I haven't looked at that far, but I can rotate it on here and bring it out past the end of this piece here, and right here is where the old fuel line used to come down through here and then across. Actually down behind the battery, there was no shutoff on that tank that I can remember of. There might have been, but I don't know. It's been too long now. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the welder out, get this welded up, and we'll get some holes popped in here and get this thing laid out, marked out, and mounted up. So let me get that done, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, got the brackets welded on here, got the holes drilled in them. I got the holes drilled in this down here. Next thing I need to do is get the plastic tank back on here, get it bolted down. I'm gonna shoot a little lube on these threads to keep them from galling up. They like to get galled up in those inserts in those plastic tanks. So if he ever has to take his tank off and bracket off to do anything, he can get those screws out. So I'm not gonna show bolting this stuff on here. I'll bring you back whenever I get everything all bolted down and everything, but just wanted to show you that worked out pretty nice. Got it welded down across there, across the back side, went on the inside on both of them here and welded them up. So threw some paint on it to make it look nice, and yeah, I think she's gonna work out well. So we'll bring you back when we get it all bolted on. Alright y'all, got the tank all mounted in there good and tight. She ain't going nowhere. Got the fuel line all hooked up, shut off valve there, ready to go. I think we're going to move over to the other side there and do the PCV or crankcase vent up into the carburetor. When I get the camera moved around, we'll go over there and show you what's going on with that. Alright, y'all. Here's what I did with the carburetor. This air box here doesn't have the vent tube that goes down to the valve cover for the crankcase vent. The one that was on here has one off the bottom, and I don't like that, because if something happens with that carburetor and it floods, it's going to dump that fuel right down into that tank. So the original setup on this thing was the carburetor had a hole up here where this was pressed in, so I just re-drilled it and pressed it in, connected it up, works fine. Here's the, the adapter is going to go on there like that, and we're going to get ready to go here. Connect the hose up here to it. Before I do that though, I got to get the I want to get the front tin on, get the choke cable down and hooked in here and everything. So I'll probably wait to hold off on putting that adapter on until I get that choke cable hooked up in there. But I think that's going to do it for tonight. I don't have the tins, so we're gonna call this video here. Appreciate y'all watching. So, all right, y'all. We're gonna call it night on this one. We got that fuel tank all modified and hooked up there and mounted and everything. Got that breather hooked up on that carburetor. Sorry I didn't film, drilling the hole and doing all that, but I thought I did. I didn't turn the camera on. My fault. Must be going senile. I'm having issues with this stuff. So, but appreciate y'all stopping, checking out another one of the videos. I know I said I was going to try to make this the last one in this series, but I don't have the tins yet. Should be getting them here directly, hopefully in the next day or so. But I will film it, show you guys the finished product. They found out what the tins look like. It's going to look nice. So, all right, we're going to call it. We'll catch you all on the next one. New to the channel, please hit that like button. Well, everybody hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything I do here on the channel, from this, equipment repair and small engine work, tractor pulling, auto mechanics, stuff like that. Hopefully some garden tractor pulling here soon. Also my cooking videos, those come out on Wednesdays. Don't forget about my Sunday night live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Come on in, hang out, talk with us, hang out, see what's going on, and we'll catch you all on the next one. So, bye.